Yes, this is the new model coming for Vivo V20 SE. Because this one we were launching for the 24th of September. I think so today is 27. Before 3 days for launch for this model. This one company.
How many color?
This one have for launching for 2 colors. But this is main thing is this is very slim and smart for phone. And then this is for RAM 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and then you see the in the plus this is the in-display fingerprint scanning also. This means unlocking for in-display, and then this one is front camera is like a 32 megapixel is a behind camera is 48 megapixel plus 8 plus 2. But this is have behind 3 cameras, but features for the 4 means like you can see this is one normal camera. But on the ultra wide, super wide angle camera, is picture is wide also 120 degree can wide also can picture. Okay, and then another wise example you see this one you can go to the wide here you cannot see anything. Okay, I on the super micro lens also is then you see is a very clear everything. Nice. And then this one also, and then front camera also. This one is for front camera is 32 megapixel. Is a front camera also this one. You see. This is front camera for 32 megapixel, and then behind is also 48 megapixel plus 8 and plus 8. And then plus this is for using for the batteries 4100, and then plus this is using for the 33 watt flash charging. This is 0 to 100% battery charge for 50 to 60 minutes only. Okay, and then I just show you the apps also. This one you see nighttime super selfie is a very good for the Vivo, because and other phones is like that. Like a very nighttime selfie you're taking that is like a black shade also, but Vivo V20 SE is a nighttime selfies are like is a very clear also. Okay, and then I just show you some more thing. Okay, and then this one you see the new features also company launching. This is for 48 megapixel behind camera, super night mode also, 4K video, super wide angle, and then super micro, and then plus you see the 33 watt plus charging also is a very fast. You see the already write down 50% faster 6. You see this is also written down. Okay, and then I just show you some more thing. This one using for the Fun Touch OS 11. This is for latest version for using for, and then Android 10 also using, and then you see the memory recorder also. You can see this one also. This is old picture. Memory is 128 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. Okay, and then this one is also a new feature adding for the AI image meeting. You can see this. You can see you can change the background.
Okay, then we want to buy this phone.
And then plus this time company can provide it for you. This one for free gift box also. This one inside for company provided for. This one is free Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and then plus this is for car holder also. Okay, and then this one inside you can buy for this phone. Company already pasted for the screen protector already pasted. Inside the box also available for back cover, charger, cable, and hands-free. This one is a matte finishing. This one is a shine one. But I am prefer you, brother. You can buy this color. Is a very nice color also.
Okay, we can buy this color.
Okay, okay, just hold on. Okay, this one for Vivo launching new models for Vivo V20 SE is a very good phone. Vivo, this one using for the RAM is 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and then plus this one is full screen Super AMOLED display, is a new shape for the 3D shape, and then very weightless also. And then this one also battery is bigger, is 4133 watt flash charging, 50 to 60 minutes your battery is full complete. And then just now I can open this phone. Let's check it. This is Vivo inside the box, also provided for the back cover. Inside has inside, and then this one have your charger is 33 watt plus charging is speed. This is for your cable for Type C, and then this is your headphones also. Okay, and then just now I can setting for this phone. Okay, this one can change the language first English. Okay, United Kingdom. Okay, just we are starting for the setting also. We have Malaysia also. Okay, agree. Okay, skip. Okay, next. Yes.
Already installed.
Yes, he's just now is setting already done. Okay.
So this
Okay, this is for Vivo can give for the free gift for Vivo V20s new launching for this model for Vivo. This inside have Bluetooth speaker, and then plus is car holder is a. This is for free gift also provided for company Vivo V20 SE new model. Inside the box also Bluetooth speaker and car holder.